Guys, today we're gonna try Shirazade. This is from Germany, and
this is from Denmark.
This is from Denmark. We're both from Denmark.
See, we are both from Denmark.
Yeah, you can tell. But today we're gonna taste this. It's his first time trying Shirazade, so I'm gonna take Ribena because it's not. We both have tasted before.
3, 2, 1. That's good. I will give it 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I've tasted before and I really like it, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Nah, a 9.5 out of 10. And this is just perfection. I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10.
Yes, this is really good. 10 out of 10.
It's just really good. If you tried it, you will really like it.
Come to Denmark and buy Ribena.
Goodbye.